folks, it's a little dark in here. Sorry about that. I have been waiting to do this video since it got here. Let me get some gloves. I'll tell you what we're up to. So, we're going to go through these cabinets, which have got a whole bunch of really old, really expired things in them. So, how about some honey? Honey? Best Buy 2019. Yeah, that's a little bit big. Oops. Cheerios. Ooh, chocolate Cheerios. Looks like the rats liked them too. Or the mice. $1.39. Gosh, that hasn't been that cheap. April 2016. Ooh, it's a whole unopened box of toasted Wheaties with September 27th, 2016. Archer Farms dressing, March 2017. Shake and bake. Ooh, I bet that's probably not bad. Best by the trash can. Oatmeal, another thing that never goes really bad. And apple and cinnamon. I actually like that flavor, but I'm not touching this. December 2016. Rice-A-Roni. I think it probably hasn't gone bad. I don't know. We're throwing it away. Shake and bake. They really like that. Ooh, pork and beans. February 2018. Barilla. January 2017. Whatever was in there, they ate it. Cut sweet potatoes. Can't read it. Go by. Applesauce. Best Buy 2017. Green beans. Woohoo! French style. Canned leek sweet peas. A couple more cans of pork and beans. Pure pumpkin, purely got out. Spaghetti, mice really like that. Ah, but they were defeated. Not for long. Ah, and they devoured the Jiffy cornmeal. Sliced carrots. Los Angeles in the 1960s. Nope. Wax paper. Nope. A big ass light bulb. Bye. Assorted cutlery. Oh, wait for it. There's something else cool back here. Sugar-free pancake syrup. Best Buy. The trash can. I don't know, man. I don't see an expiration date on that. Let's throw it away. And then I gotta vacuum and clean this out. It's pretty nasty up in here. But hey, it's empty. And these work. No water, no holding tank. Half full on the second holding tank. 3/4 LP gas. Water pump makes noise. Batteries are fair. Generator's not hooked up. Yeah, it shouldn't do anything. We have a Chateau by Magic Chef. I don't even have a hunch how to work this. Ice maker. Thought there was some junk down here too. Oh yeah. Very valuable phone. Sugar-free drinks. Wow, I haven't seen cell phone batteries in forever. I'll keep this splitter. Does come in handy. Some caulking. Rat's nest, some plastic wrap. Converter. Okay. Let's see what else is under here. Oh yeah, there's a little over here. Alright. Oh, patient clinical survey. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna throw that away. It's really old, not ours. Ooh, original lube. Wet. I don't even want to know why that's in here. I like to imagine that someone old owned this and they would not have sexual activities. We'll just pretend we'll just run with that fantasy. So we don't want to see Grandma and Grandpa doing it to the oldies or each other. All right, what else do we have to clean out? What we got in here? Oh, eyeliner, some kind of makeup. Some other things. Imodium. I don't know. I don't smell, so it doesn't really matter to me. Alright, and then we've got the bathroom. That light's out. You know what, while we're at it, wiping the spiders away. All right. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else to get rid of. I did finally get this open. It was just sticking. Startup instructions. Let's see. Alright, I'll mess with this tomorrow. I don't feel like starting up the gas today. And we're kind of not level. This has potential. Hope it works. If not, it's going to the curb. Not really a fan of those. Nothing magical in here. Really do wish I could figure out if this thing works. That's not a good sign. Nasty is what it is. Oh, it is a microwave. All right. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. Off. I don't see a way to make it go. Huh. All right. Alright, and I got a whole bunch of parts back here. Nothing magical. So, I think we're done for the day. And again, I've been wanting to make that video for a while, so I hope you guys found it as much fun as I did. rooting through all the junk that's in here. I don't think there's anything above here. No. I wanted to clean. Oh, yes. All right, hang on. Some more Magic canned goods. That's never a good sign when they're sticky. A lot of applesauce. 2016 September 30th fishing ticket for the Beaver Lake Fishing Club. Some Kool-Aid. We've got something up here. Alright. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Looks like a court ticket. Oh, somebody had drugs. Drugs, drugs, drugs. Yeah, what was it? More drugs. Let's see what it was. Oh, went to jail. Dip, 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 dip. Oh, hey, here's the rest of it. Let's see. Oh, heroin. Lovely. Yeah, not my issue, not my problem. Inmate stuff. Property basket. Yep. So sad. Not my issue. Don't do drugs, you don't get to go to jail. Alright. Doesn't matter who it was. We're not going to get into names because that person has probably moved on in life. And hopefully they got sober. Alright, so let's go see. I think that's it. So once upon a time people watched this thing called television, and this is a very fancy antenna, but now it's trash because it's torn up and it's gonna go away. It's not coming back to Texas with us. So that's really all there is to it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this.